Can you say this simple word correctly? It's pronounced.
Moist.
Let's break it down.
This short word often makes people pause, but it's simple. The correct way is moist. Start with moi, rhyming with boy, and finish with a crisp st. Together, moist. Now let's practice it together 3 times. Ready? Moist, moist, moist. If you got it right all 3 times, you just turned a word many people find awkward into one you can say with confidence.
Got it? Let's practice it together. Repeat after me.
Moist, 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 moist.
Now it's your turn. Drop a comment if you nailed it or if you need more tips. Subscribe for more pronunciation guides. And here's a fun challenge. Record yourself, post it, and tag us.